Hey Pioneers, I am here with Mr. June Akbang.
Hi.
I'm going to tell you, this is one heck of a story. So here's kind of how it went. Kimberly Rice did a Facebook ad. June responded to the Facebook ad. He was submitted into the solar grid and came to Premium Solar Patios. Since then, that was about 30 days ago. Since then, how many referrals have you made?
About 10 to 12. Then I got 6 submissions, plus already 2 contracts.
Already 2 contracts.
Yeah.
Just upgraded to advisor, planning to become a consultant, and actually said this morning, wants to be an expert, wants to replace his income. Is that the goal?
Yeah, that's the goal.
That's an awesome goal. Look at that. That's 30 days, and here we are with the panels actually going on the roof right now, and you've already received your first payment this week, right?
Mm-hmm.
So already got his first payment. He's upgraded to advisor. He wants to become a consultant. And I met with 3 of your associates last night who are all planning on becoming advisors, not just becoming advocates, becoming advisors in Powur. What a powerful endorsement of the empowerment program. Too many powers in that phrase. What a powerful endorsement. And June, man, welcome aboard. It's awesome to be with you. And I'm telling you, he's going to kick some butt here in Texas. And he's going to Northern California on work until he replaces his income. So the best is definitely ahead, folks. Thank you.
Thanks.